Hi everyone, it is Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am working on some projects here at the store today. I'm going to be doing the tops of those two olive baskets from my previous video. I am going to seal up the base of this cloche here. And then I don't know if I'm going to start the chicken today or just start on the molds for this. I will keep y'all apprised. You'll just follow along as I go. Please like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate when you guys do that, and follow along. So here you will see me removing all of the tags and getting them ready to go. I will pull out my Country Chic clear wax and get the base for that cloche done, and the tops I'll show you a comparison here briefly. And then I will pull out the dark wax and go along the edges and any of those scratched spots that I showed you in the previous part. And there they are finished. You guys, they turned out so pretty. And this basket is getting Country Chic and Serenity. I did a dry brush, one coat on the outside. The candlesticks got 2 coats. I will distress them back. I did not get that on video, you guys. I'm very sorry about that. But they did get 2 coats and the basket got 1. And I'm going to cut up a piece of drop cloth and apply the Iron Orchid Designs Antiquities stamp. And I did like a label and 2 little roses, and then used some Gorilla Glue construction adhesive and attached it to the basket. And it's beautiful. I love it. And there's the distressed candlesticks. And then we're going to work on that rooster. I removed the stickers, the string, and then I realized the foot had a little bit of a chunk missing. So I sanded that down, traced him all out, and then cut it. And you will notice that as I'm cutting it, I realized the adhesive backing came off. Not a problem. Again, I pull out that construction adhesive and I get it all over my rooster, especially along the edges. I use my finger to smooth it all out and attach it. And I'm going to, again, use Country Chic Serenity and paint the edge. I think I did about 2.5 coats on the edge. 1 coat on the back and 2 coats on the front, and I distressed it back to that silver. It is a soft plastic, so don't go too hard if you're using this, but it is so cute. I'm obsessed with him. And these are those clothespins I mentioned in my last video. This is just the edge of my drop cloth that I cut off, and I wrapped some singles, used a little bit of construction adhesive to attach that down, and then I bundled one up and then just wrapped a single one up with that trim. And look at them stage up, you guys. You need to try this. See you next time.